That's me with the birds. With my coffee. That's my Starbucks. Starbucks coffee. These are the birds. That's me with the birds. Maybe I can go sit with them. What do you think? Go sit with them? I can go sit with the birds. Oh man. Look at me sitting with the birds. They're not even flying away. Oh my god. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They are not flying away. They are not flying. Well, can you see that? Amazing. They are not flying. Look at them. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Very cool. Very cool. Hanging out with the birds, guys. It feels so good. I love birds. They are my favorite animals. They are my favorite. Bird is my favorite animal. I love birds.